Hello, today we'll do the diagrams for equipotential surface and its properties. The definition for this is, I'm not going to write it, I'll tell you. It's the surface whose all points lie at same potential. So the first we'll do is for a isolated charge. So we'll take a positive charge and the equipotential surface are concentric circles. Moving away from each other, the distance keeps increasing. They go further. So this is how a equipotential surface for an isolated positive charge looks like. Now the second one that we'll do is equipotential surface for a uniform electric field. Second, uniform electric field. So we'll consider these slabs that are actually formed like this. The equipotential surfaces due to this are like this. Pass directly through them. Straight line. The diagram is not so perfect, but this is how they look like. The third one that we'll do is for a dipole. Minus, plus. The equipotential surfaces for a dipole are like this. They are inclined towards one another. Fourth one is for two equal charges. So we have a positive charge here, we have a positive charge here. So the equipotential surfaces also repel each other. Basically, the positive charge is here towards this side, and similarly here they move away from each other. So these are the four equipotential surfaces that we have drawn. Two equal charges, dipole, a uniform electric field, and a single isolated charge. So we have four properties that we have derived from the diagrams, that are properties. The first property that we'll mention is the electric field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Second, two equipotential surfaces can never intersect. Third, for a point charge, the equipotential surface is a concentric circle. As we saw in the case of a positive charge, the equipotential surface are concentric circles. Fourth property is the direction of equipotential surface is from high potential to low potential. High to low potential. So these are the diagram for equipotential surfaces and the four properties. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.